Friends, this is Jagbir Singh and today we are going to model a exhaust manifold of a car. So before we start, let's start with a new file. In this particular video we are going to use boundary feature, boundary base or boss a lot, so it will help you out clearing your fundamentals of boundary base or boss. So I am starting a new part file and it's taking some time. Okay, now just go for sketch and select your front plane and create a sketch on that. Now let's draw a rectangle and make sure one side of that rectangle is going through this origin. Okay, now take your smart dimension tool and from this corner to this origin give 146.05. okay, now go for this side and give a dimension of 63.50. now go for this point to this point and make a dimension of 387.35. okay, now just take a center rectangle and try to draw from this center point and take a center line which is starting from the midpoint and goes like this. Now select your this line and the origin point and make them coincident. Now go for your dimension tool again and select this side and give it a dimension of 38.10 and this side you give a dimension of 31.75. okay, now go for a sketch fillet and make a fillet of 6.35 and select these corners, all of them, and just finish this. Now select this line and this line and give it a dimension of 27.31. okay, now you select this rectangle with the fillets and go for linear sketch pattern and make instances as 3 and distance must be 146.05 and you will see you get 3 instances. Now finish your pattern. Now go for a ellipse and create a ellipse taking inference line here and something like this. Now you have to give some dimension to this ellipse. For that, take smart dimension, give the major diameter and major axis as 114.68 and your this one as 35. If you do not have to give that one, you have to give from this point to this as 35.68. now your minor dia must be 47.61. Now if you have drawn it outside, then simply select origin, this point and make them vertical. Now you go for select your ellipse, go for sketch pattern, linear, and give as one more, and the distance must be, and let's make it 2, and the distance 146.05. now you're getting one, so go for trim tool now and trim everything just like this, and just now you got your sketch here. Now you finish your sketch and go for right plane. You finish your sketch first, go for right plane and create a sketch on it, make it normal to your screen, and on this side you just create one circle here and make a diameter of this one as 38.10, and from this point origin to the center it should be 63.50, and you make this origin and the center point to be horizontal, and you will finish your sketch now. Now you can see, now you can select your right plane and go for insert, reference geometry, and go for plane, and you have to make 2 reference planes so that we can create 2 different sketches on them. Now give it distance, make it 2, and give it a distance of 146.05, and you will see you get 2 planes. Now you select your plane and create a sketch, make it normal, and now take a circle which is having the same center and a little bit big, and take smart dimension and give it a dimension of 50.8, and finish your sketch. Now you go for the last plane and create a sketch on it, make it normal, and create a same centric circle. Now give it a dimension of 57.15. now you have different circles at different location. Just finish your sketch. Now you go for features, take boundary base and boss, then simply select this one, let's say select this, it is not doing the selection. Then simply right click and go for selection manager. If it is complicated, it asks for selection manager. Yes, select it. Now you select this circle like this. Now from this none option, make it normal to profile. Now you will get a shape like this, so go for normal to profile here also. And for this one, tangent length, make it 1 and 10. So just finish it. So now you get a shape like this, which is going outside and coming inwards. So now again have to go for, now you go for this and make your sketch visible. Now again go for base, boundary base. Now again you select this one right click selection manager, select this one, and now you select this circle, make it normal to profile. Okay, before you do this, you simply go for again boundary boss and just finish with this circle, this one and that one, so you get something like this. So make it tangent to face and make this one as normal to profile. So now you have to do some modifications here. So you select this one and go for sketch one. You can control these points also for controlling the shape, and just accept the result. Now again go for boundary and base, and before you do that, you just do one more thing and go for this, make them visible, all of them. Now you go for boundary base, select this one, and now you select this particularly, make it normal to profile, and for this one you can drag this one down so you get a better shape. Now make this one as 5°, and this tangent length should be, let's say, make it 2. It's fine now. Now accept it. It is having some issues, so let's edit this one. Now select this sketch 3 and align normal to profile and align with next and make it to here and make 5° here. So now you accept the result. Now you get this shape. Now you have to go for the last boundary boss. Now for this one, select this point, selection manager. Now go for this one, make it normal to profile. Now for this one also make it aligned normal to profile and align with the next one, make it 2, make this one also 2. Now you will get the shape, right shape. Now it is going good. Now so now you're getting a manifold, but there are some modifications we have to do. So for that we have to extrude this base, so let's do that. But before we do one thing. Let's select this face and go for convert entities. And once we get this, go for simply extrude and extrude this one by 137. Now you can go for extrude, select this one. Now go for it, this one, go for 10. Make sure you do not merge the result and simply finish it. There is a problem here, so just do one thing, edit this sketch and just trim this portion because I forgot to trim this. Just finish now. Now you go for extrude and it's done, so go for this one. Make it 10 and do not mark the result. Got a body like this. Now you hide your sketches, all of them. Now as you see it is solid, so let's make it hollow. So for that go for shell and take a shell of 3 and you select this face and this one, that one and that one. Now you will get a hollow one. Now we have to give some final touch up for the edges, so we have to go for fillets. But before we go to fillet, you see there are two solid bodies here, so we have to combine these two bodies. So go for insert, features and go for combine, go for add and select this body and that body, make them a single body. Now still it is not done, so now again go for insert, feature, combine, now add, select this one and that one, go for combine. So now you are not having any two solid bodies, so what we have to do, we have to go for fillets. Now you select this side and give value as 7.5 and just accept it. Now again go for fillet. Now you make it 12.5 and select the faces as this one, and now again go for fillet, select these edges, all 4 of them, 12.5, the same value. Now you have to give some value to these edges, so fillet and select this face, make it 3.5, all of them. So now my this exhaust manifold has been completed. You can go for its rendering. It will take some time. You just select your material and drop the appearance. Now if you like this video, you can share with your friends and you can subscribe my channel for coming up videos. You can give your feedback in the comment sections. Your comments are welcome. So this is Jagbir Singh today signing off. Jai India, Jai Bharat. Thank you.